Hi everyone. Have you ever been online doing some online banking, shopping, maybe even surfing the web, just social media, and you think you're completely safe, but in the background there's someone actually watching everything you click on, watching everything you type? That's scary, isn't it? Well, today I want to let you know there's a tool to help keep you protected while you're online. It's called a VPN, a virtual private network. I want you to think about this VPN as a tunnel, and it's secured from spying eyes, and your data travels through this tunnel to whatever website you're going to. Now, I'm going to break it down into small chunks so you understand how to get one, why to use one, and how it benefits you. So over the next few minutes, let's go on this journey. In the meantime, go ahead, like, subscribe, and let's dive in. What exactly is a VPN? Picture this. It's like a secure, private tunnel for your internet connection. When you browse, your data travels through this tunnel, hidden from hackers and internet providers or anyone else trying to snoop. And no, VPNs aren't just for tech wizards or shady hackers. They're totally legal and used by millions to stay safe online. A VPN gives you three big wins. One is privacy, so your data stays yours. Two is security, to protect against threats. And three is access, to unlock things like Netflix shows from other countries. Pretty cool, right? So have you ever wondered about who's watching your online activities? Let me know in the comments. Okay, let's talk about why. Why do you need a VPN? First up, public Wi-Fi, like a coffee shop, airport, or a hotel? That could be a hacker's playground. Don't ask me how I know. Without a VPN, they could steal your password or even your credit card info. Ugh. Next, did you know your internet provider can track and sell your browsing history? A VPN stops that by keeping your activities private. Oh, and if you love streaming, a VPN lets you watch shows and movies that are only available in other countries, like that one Netflix series you've been dying to see. Plus, in some places, websites like YouTube or social media, they're blocked. A VPN can bypass those restrictions, giving you the freedom online you deserve. Get this, over 60% of people have had their data exposed online. Scary, isn't it? Please don't be one of them. Oh, quick question. Have you ever used Wi-Fi at a cafe or airport? Drop a comment. Let me know. So, when would you use a VPN? Pretty much anytime you're online, but especially in these situations. Always turn it on. When you're on a public Wi-Fi, like a cafe, airport, a hacker's paradise. Keep them at bay. Use it when shopping or banking online to protect your sensitive information, like credit card details. My world, we call that PII. Personal identifiable information. If you're traveling and you want to stream your favorite shows or access blocked websites, a VPN got you covered. Honestly, even at home, a VPN adds an extra layer of privacy for everyday browsing. The best part of it is you can set it and forget it, turn it on when you need it, and browse worry-free. I promise you, it's that easy. I even have it on my Fire Stick. Don't ask me about that. Now, how do you pick the right VPN? Don't worry, I got you covered with some simple tips. First, go for one that's easy to use. Think apps, something you can set up in minutes. Look for strong security, like a no logs policy, which means they don't track what you do online, and good encryption to keep your data safe. Speed matters too. You want a VPN that's fast enough for streaming without buffering. And price. Paid VPNs usually are safer, stronger, faster, just better than free ones, all right? I know they might sound tempting, but please don't let them slow you down and don't let them sell your data. Not cool. Also, check for lots of server locations so you can access your content worldwide. Some beginner-friendly options are NordVPN, ExpressVPN, Surfshark, but always check reviews to find out the best fit. Think of choosing a VPN like picking a bodyguard. Go for one that's reliable, strong, and trustworthy. What's the first thing you would want from a VPN? Let me know below. Ready to start using a VPN? It's super simple, even for beginners. Step 1, pick a trusted VPN and sign in on their website. Step 2, download their app on your phone, laptop, or whatever device you use. Step 3, open the app, pick a server like choosing a country for streaming or for extra privacy. Step 4, hit connect. You're good to go. It's as easy as opening your favorite app. And here's a pro tip. Many VPNs have a kill switch feature that protects you if the connection drops, which is super handy. And there you go. Now you know how a personal VPN can keep you protected on public Wi-Fi, protect your privacy, and unlock the internet with just a few clicks. Now that you've learned this, what's the first thing you're going to do? Use it the next time you go to Starbucks? Are you going to use it next time you're doing some online shopping? Or unlock some cool Netflix videos? All right, whatever you do, just drop it in the comments. Go ahead and share. We're also going to provide a link down in the description below for NordVPN. It'll give you a discount and also help out the channel. If this was great information for you and you feel like you learned a lot, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and hit that bell for any kind of notifications when we're going to drop a new video. And thanks for coming and checking out Full Circle Cyber. Jed, covering everything around cyber.